This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Top Step X. First, let's prepare. Before you begin, take a moment to clearly define your objective. This clarity will guide you through each stage. Next, gather all the essential materials and tools you'll need. Having everything ready saves time and prevents interruptions. Finally, ensure your workspace is tidy and well organized. A clean environment helps maintain focus and precision throughout the entire process. Now, let's dive into the core steps. For the first step, carefully read and follow the initial instruction. Precision here is key for a successful outcome. Apply the first component or perform the initial action with utmost care, ensuring it's correctly positioned. Then, smoothly transition to the second step. Double-check that any alignment or application is accurate before moving forward. These foundational steps are crucial for building a solid base. Continuing our process, let's tackle the next two steps. For the third step, integrate your previous actions seamlessly. This often involves connecting or combining elements you've already prepared. Take a moment to verify that all connections or applications are secure and stable. This prevents issues later on. Finally, proceed to the fourth primary action. Confirm that all requirements for this stage are met, ensuring everything is in its proper place and functioning as intended. You're almost done. The final stage involves reviewing and maintaining your work. Take a thorough look at everything to ensure all 4 steps were completed correctly and to your satisfaction. Perform any necessary post-application adjustments or cleanup, leaving your project pristine. Lastly, remember to store any Top Step X components or tools properly. This ensures their longevity and keeps them ready for your next project, making future uses just as smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.